In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste an email in Outlook. Paste to other email. We're using Outlook on the web, so start by opening your browser and heading to outlook.live.com. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that, then make sure you're in Mail. This lands you in your mailbox view. On the left, choose Inbox so you can see your messages. Find the email you want to reuse and click it to open it in the reading pane or a full window. Take a moment to decide whether you want the whole message or just a specific section. Click into the message body and drag to highlight exactly what you want to copy. If your message is long, scroll while you drag to capture everything you need. When your selection looks right, press Ctrl+C on Windows to copy it. On a Mac, use Command+C. You can also use a right-click and choose Copy if you prefer menus. This action copies the text, links, and inline images as they appear. Next, create a new email. Click New Mail to open a fresh Compose window. In the To field, enter the recipient you want to send it to, and let Outlook suggest contacts if that helps. Now click in the message area where you want the content to go, and paste what you copied by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. You can also right-click and choose Paste. Give the pasted content a quick review to make sure the spacing and formatting look the way you expect. It's normal for line breaks or fonts to adjust slightly between messages. You can make light edits here to clean it up. Keep in mind that this method brings over inline content, but it does not include separate attachments from the original message. Add a clear subject in the subject line so your recipient immediately understands what the message is about. If you're reusing content from another email, a short, descriptive subject will make it easy to find later with search. When you're happy with the recipient, subject, immediate, and pasted content, click Send. Outlook will deliver your new message with the copied content to the person you chose. That's the full process. Open the original email, copy the content, start a new message, paste it in, add a subject, and send. This is a great approach when you want to reuse part of a message without forwarding the entire thread. If you do this frequently, consider keeping a draft with commonly used text so you can copy from it quickly in the future. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to copy and paste an email in Outlook and send it to someone else quickly and cleanly.